in a prison, there are no bars, there are no guards. You built this prison yourself, and you carry it with you everywhere you go. This prison is the fear of what will they think? We sacrifice our dreams, our authentic selves, and our happiness just to get validation from people we don't even like. The Stoics knew this trap well, and they left us the key to escape. Here is how to stop caring what people think in 3 steps. First, realize who you are trying to impress. Marcus Aurelius, the most powerful man on earth, asked a simple question. Why do we love ourselves more than other people, but care more about their opinion than our own? Think about the people you are worried about. Are they wise? Do they have their own lives in perfect order? No. Most of them are confused, struggling, and flawed, just like everyone else. Why would you let a confused person judge your path? If you wouldn't ask them for advice, don't accept their criticism. Second, understand the spotlight effect. You think everyone is watching you. You think they analyze your every mistake. Here is the brutal truth. Nobody cares. Everyone is the main character in their own movie. They aren't thinking about you. They are thinking about themselves. They are worried about their clothes, their money, their problems. You are not the center of their world. This might sound harsh, but it is true freedom. You are invisible. Use that freedom to be yourself. Third, switch to an internal scorecard. A Stoic does not look outside for applause. A Stoic looks inside for logic. Did you do the right thing? Did you act with virtue? Did you try your best? If the answer is yes, then it does not matter if the whole world boos you. If the answer is no, then it does not matter if the whole world cheers for you. Your self-worth is not a democracy. It is a dictatorship, and you are the dictator. The opinions of others are just cheap data. They change like the wind. Do not build your house on the wind. Build it on the rock of your own character. Stop performing for an audience that isn't even watching. Step out of the prison. The door was open the whole time.